Hello everyone, I'm Alex at Vending Machine Support. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set the prices on a Wittern 3589 combo vending machine. So let's get started. The Wittern 3589, also known as a USI Futura combo as well as an Ultimate combo, uses the GW2 control board by Wittern. Now this control board can be found in several different machines manufactured by USI, Wittern, and Federal. Matter of fact, if you're trying to program an Alpine machine as well as a Macchiato snack machine, this information will be useful if you're looking to set the prices. So first thing we need to do when setting the prices, we always need to place the machine into a service mode. So we need to locate the service mode button, and this is going to be located on the main control board on the GW2 controller, usually in the upper right hand corner, and these are usually well identified. So I'm going to open up the door on this machine. And on this machine, the control board on this 3589 is being located in the upper left-hand corner on the inside of the door. And if you look at the control board, there's actually going to be a menu system. It shows you how to set the prices, as well as pointing where the service mode button is. So we're going to press this button one time. Now after you press the service mode button, you want to make sure that you keep the door slightly open, because closing the door will place the machine back into sales mode. Now once the service mode is pressed, on this display it's going to show you the current motor or selection count that the control board currently sees and can vend from. Currently on this Ultimate Combo or 3589, we have 39. We have a total of 39 selections. Now if you have something different on the display here, that's typically going to be an error and you might want to investigate further. Now the keys that we're going to use to navigate the menu system or to set our prices, we're going to press selection buttons 1, 2, and 3 to enter the different pricing options once we're in the price menu, as well as the pound key is going to be our enter or save key. The star or asterisk key is going to be our exit or cancel key. And then lastly, we're going to press selection button 5 to enter price setting mode. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to go ahead and press selection button 5. And when I do, I'm going to have PRC on the display. Now, the three options we have available to us on this particular GW2 controller is going to be, we can price something an individual selection one at a time. So we can price 10 and then move over to 11 or jump down to 34, etc. We also have the ability to price an entire shelf or row at one time, as well as pricing the entire machine at once. So let's first start off with pricing an individual selection. So to do that, I'm simply going to press button 1 to get into individual selection pricing mode. So I press selection button 1, and then here I'm presented with a dash on the display. So hypothetically, I want to go ahead and price selection 10. So I'm going to key in the selection that I would like to price. So I'm going to hit 10. And here I have a current price of $1 for selection 10, which is the upper left hand tray, top tray left hand side. I want to change that price to $1.25. So at this point, I can simply key in that new price, which is going to be $1.25. Once I have $1.25 on the screen, we know we're still in edit mode because the last digit is blinking. It tells me that I have not saved the price yet. So I'm going to go ahead and save the price for pressing the pound key. And once you save the price, the menu will jump back to the dash, waiting for you to enter in another selection. I'm going to jump over to selection 11, so I'm going to go ahead and key that in, 1, and then here I have $1 on the display. I'm simply going to change the price, so I'm going to go ahead and key in 125. Again, blinking cursor indicates that the screen is in pricing mode still, so I want to save the price, so I'll go ahead and press the pound key to save the price. Next thing, say again, if I want to jump to, you don't have to go in any sequential order, we can jump around anywhere. So let's say I want to price 20, so I'm going to go ahead and hit 20, so I'm going to hit 20. Here it's telling me the price is $1, so I'm going to go ahead and change that to, let's say, $1.50. Here again, blinking last digit of the price, telling me I'm still in edit mode. I want to go ahead and press the pound key to save it, and I'm brought back to the dash on the display. So that shows you how easy it is to price an individual selection. Now let's take this a step further. Let's say we wanted to price an entire row at once to kind of speed things up. So if we're going to do that, we need to exit the current price mode that we're in. We do that by pressing the star or asterisk key. we're brought back to the top level of the price menu where it says PRC on the display. And then here I'm going to go ahead and press selection button 2 to enter row pricing mode or shelf pricing mode. And when I do that, the display is going to read RO- indicating that we are in row or shelf pricing mode. Now here we're simply going to key in the shelves that we would like to price. So let's do the number 3 tray. So I'm going to go ahead and press 3. Here it's telling me it's $1. I'm going to go ahead and price everything at this to $2. So I'm going to go ahead and hit 200. And we got $2 on display. Last digit's blinking. Let me know I am still in edit mode. Press the pound key to save it. And then here, brought back out to RO. So that shows you how to price in shelf at once. So we've learned how to price an individual selection, as now we've learned how to price an entire row. The one last option we have available to us on pricing is how to price the entire machine at once. Now this is going to be useful if you're first setting up the machine. It's best to go ahead and program the entire machine to the most common price inside the machine, and then you can go back and change the prices of those selections or shelves that are not at that common price. This kind of speeds things up for you. So to do that, I'm going to press the star key to exit back out, brought to the top level of the price menu, which is PRC on the display, and then to enter all or price entire machine at once, we're simply going to press selection button 3. And when we do that, we're presented with ALL, and it will jump to a price. So I'm going to go ahead and set the machine to $1 for everything inside the machine. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and key in 100. Again, we have the last digit of the price blinking, letting us know that we are still in edit mode. So here I'm going to go ahead and press the pound key, and now I've just saved every single price selection in this machine to a $1 price. Then here you can go back and go to your individual or your row pricing. Now, once you're done pricing, we can simply exit back out of service mode by simply closing the door, or if you have other programming options you're liking to do, you can simply press the star key to back you back out to PRC. And again, the more we press the star key, the further it will back us out in the programming menu. So I'm going to go ahead and press the star key again. Here I'm brought back to the total motor count. And if I press the star key one more time, I'm brought all the way back out, and the display now reads 0.00. So that shows you how easy it is to price a Wittern 3589 combo vending machine, as well, also known as a USI Futura combo, as well as an Ultimate combo, and in the greater things, the GW2 controller, which can be found on many of the USI, Wittern, or Federal vending equipment. Now, if you found this video useful, I appreciate if you could like and subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell below. Be notified next time I upload a video. Also, be sure to check the description below for any affiliate links I might have. This will help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Until then, I'll see you on the next video. Take care.